fall apart without you. I don't know how you do.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are all doing very well. As you might can hear, my voice is still a little bit groggy because I am getting over a cold. That's mainly why I didn't film videos for you guys. So I'm trying to get back into work and stuff. Yeah, I just wanted to tell you and show you that I have a pen pal now. And if you have never heard of snail mail before, you're kind of maybe like, what is snail mail? Well, snail mail, it kind of means like writing each other letters through actually mail. And I have a pen pal right now. She lives in the UK. Her name is Megan. Hi Megan, I know that you are watching. I am showing you in this video what she sent to me and of course what I sent to her. So this is going to be a long video, so grab a cup of tea and relax, and maybe you get some inspiration for your own pen pal, or you might want to start pen paling. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. I would also love for you to subscribe, hit the notification button so you don't miss any of my videos. And yeah, without further ado, let's head into the video. So this is the package and I am going to dissect it right now because I love the stamps. So I'm going to take off the stamps. Wow, that came off pretty easily actually. Maybe it got a little bit wet, but look how cute. Oh, I love it. You can reuse it in your bullet journal or something. I've waited a day to open this package so I could film it for you guys. So, okay. Ooh, there's some cute stuff in here. Oh my gosh, I love it! Oh, I love it! Okay, there's so much going on here. Oh my gosh, oh, I love it! Okay, I don't know where to start. So there's a pen, I think. What's this? Oh, maybe it's candy. Okay, where to start? First of all, I don't know what this is, but I love the print on it because I'm a crazy plant lady. If you have seen my studio tour video, then you know that I am crazy about plants. I love them. They make me feel so happy. So, oh, and there's a cute pin. So cute. And I think this might be candy. Is it? Yes, it is. Ooh. Smells good. Okay. Then there is a letter, I think. Oh, wow. Did she drew this or? Because that looks really pretty. So beautiful. So this is a personal letter. I'm not gonna read it with you guys because it's personal, but let's see what else is in this package. Oh, these labels are so cute. I love this. I love everything. Oh, I see cute washi tapes. Okay, let's see. What's this? I think these are stickers. A little book with facts about her, I think. Oh, this is so cool. Wow. Okay, I'm going to read this later because it might be personal, you know. Oh, it's a picture of her dog. Oh my gosh, I love it. That is so cute. And I love this. Cute washi tape with birds. I think it's such a cool way to share your washi tape with others. So you can just take it off this paper. This looks so cute, especially for fall, I think. And of course this is like my favorite because of the plants. Let's unwrap it a little bit. Wow, that's beautiful. Ooh, this is cute. I love maps and stuff like that. It's a cute postcard with heart stickers. Ooh, what's this? I love that vintage vibe. I think it's a card from Alice in Wonderland because it has the bunny with the clock on it. Library, British Library. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. As well, I love the birds. These colors also really suit my aesthetic. Love this. Oh my gosh, I can't wait to send my stuff because I think she will like it as well. You were created to create. Oh, that's such a cute quote. Embrace the happy accidents. Now I can't wait to make my package to send to her. I already bought some stuff. And this is a notebook, I think. Ruled notebook. Wow, this looks like really good quality as well. I love that it's not glossy, but it's matte, yeah. Ooh, that's beautiful. So it's just lined paper. I love the colors, so vibrant. They match as well with these heart stickers. So cute. Thank you, Megan. So that was Megan's package. Thank you so much. I loved it, as you might know, because I said I love it and so cute so many times. I will now show you what I sent to Megan and kind of the process, my thinking process behind it. I hope you like it. Right now I am going to show you what I made, and this is a little booklet, you could say, that I made. She loves tea, so I added this teapot, and stars she loves as well, so I added those. Then when you open it up, it has a fake envelope, a real little envelope, and on top of it it says "Open me first." So let's do that first. There's a little envelope and I love it, it's so cute. On the note it says, "Find the other key and you will know where my letter will be." So as you can see, the other key is right here, but I will place all of the gifts and the goodies on top of it. So when she takes that out, she will find the letter. And also, I am going to add something really cool right now. Because Megan loves sealing wax, I am going to add that on the little envelope.
I don't know how you do what you do, 'cause everything that don't make sense about me makes sense when I'm with you.
Ooh, this is going to look great. Take it off and you see it turned into a little heart. How cool is that? So you can read here, spilling the tea, of course. So she added a little book she made with facts about her, and I loved that idea. So I am adding some tea, again because she loves that. Okay, be careful with the stamp above. And she loves birds as well, so I added that, and I actually quite copied her version of the little book with random facts, and I added a little sausage dog because she loves those as well, and a print with some cows and farms because I think she grew up in England on a dairy farm, but I'm not sure. Correct me if I'm wrong, Megan. I added some life lessons, a cup of chic, more cups, what I love and dislike. So that is a little book inspired by her. So let's add that as well. Now onto the letter. As you could see, I wrote this letter. It turned out quite long and very personal, so I hope she likes that. Just going to put that on top of the key. Now onto the goodies. She sent me those lovely printed paper, or what is it? Pattern paper, that's the word. And these are travel inspired, and I thought she would love these because she ordered some of my travel stickers, a travel set actually, this one, but with another card. So she doesn't have this card, and I thought I would add it to this package as well because they suit these patterned paper, or this patterned paper, so well. Gosh, I can't find the words really. But I thought this would look really cute for in her bullet journal, or for sending a package to another pen pal or something. So we are adding this. She told me that she loves foxes. Well, when I went shopping for her, I found these amazing sticky notes. I love this so much. As you can see, it has like trees and leaves and swans, but also the cute foxes. And how cute are these illustrations? I am almost like, I want to keep this for myself, you know, but I think she will really like this. And they also came in a sticker form, and I love this so much. These are kind of like 3D stickers as well, and they are so cute. So I think that she will love it. And I bought these at a Dutch store called Hema. As I mentioned earlier as well, she loves birds, and I had this little what is it? A little clear envelope with some cards with birds on them. And these are illustrated as well. They came with the Flow magazine. And these are just a few. And they are Dutch, but I love how they are illustrated. Let me see if I can show you the other one. Yeah, I think she will love these as well. So let's put it back into the little clear envelope. Red or orange, I think. Red will suit well. Look how cute! On to the next goodie. This is a little stamping kit by Sostrene Grenes. And if you have been watching my videos, you know that I love this kit. I use it for my bullet journal. It has letters and numbers on it and stuff, like little stars, and you can cut these off, put it in this little stamping thing, and you can connect or deconnect it and use it as a stamp. I'm so glad that it was in stock, so I can add that as well. I really have to figure out how this is going to fit because it is getting tight in there. Then a lovely gold pen. This one I used for my wedding invitations, I think. I wrote all the envelopes with a gold pen, and this is the one. Of course, not this one. This is a new one, but we are going to add that as well. And yeah, I really like it. I hope she likes it too. I hope this will all get to you safe and sound. So yes, it fits, luckily.
Like everything that's green, girl, I need you. But it's more than one and one makes two.
Oh my gosh, I think this looks so cute. I hope it stays. Ooh. I think I will have to add more. You guys, I spent so much time on this. This is like... She made such a lovely package, you know, and then you feel that pressure to make something great for her or for your pen pal as well. And of course, this is my first time creating something like this, so I hope she likes it. Okay. Hope this stays in place. Whew! That was hard. Okay, now let's move to the envelope. So her address is already on there, so I have to cover it with this right now. I wrote down her address, but here you can see kind of how it looks. I tried to create a little blob of ink, and I wrote her address on it with white pen. And here is a little bicycle, because we Dutchies, well, we bike everywhere basically. A little washi tape right here. I love the gold accents, so let's turn it over. On the back I wrote down my address, and these illustrations came out of Flow magazine as well. I think it looks so cute with the little tea. Again, she loves tea, so I added that and jam on the bottom. Now let's try to put the little package into the bubble wrap envelope. I think I am adding some more washi tape. Maybe this gold one will look good with the bottom.
I just wanna wrap you up, wanna kiss your lips.
So that was it for this video. I hope you liked watching it. The sun is getting up, as you can see by the line on my forehead. I'm going to edit this video right now, and I hope to see you next time. Mwah. Bye bye.
Baby, I wanna make you